All right, all you Caesar Creek boat haters, teaching my wife early in the season. She had some good time last year. Aubrey, hurry up and get on if you're gonna get on. All right, so Kat, just keep pulling forward a little bit more until you're straight that you want. So come on a little bit more to do that. There we go. That's good. So now remember, you turn the opposite way. You're watching the boat now, not the truck. So your wheel does the opposite you want. So what we're going to do, all right, is you can start backing up straight. Now you see, go slow. Now wait, stop. Do you see the trailer? How it's going that way? We want to start lining it up. So yeah, so watch where the bottom of the tires are of the trailer. So start turning your wheel. No, that's the wrong way. The opposite way. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking back here. So pull forward a little bit. If you started off wrong, this is okay. There's nobody out here. We're in no hurry. So pull forward, line it up. My bad. Stop. Now, since you're still at an angle that way, turn your tire to the left. Hard left, slow. You go slow, you're going way fast. Now, you see how the back of that trailer is starting to come back in. Go slow, just creep it. You're good. Keep the tire left. But look at the trailer. See how it's lining up? And me showing you this video after we've hit. Now, stop. Do you see how the trailer is perfectly straight back? Start turning your tires the other way. Real slow for all those people. Yeah. No, you can turn them before you move. Yeah, there you go. Just a little turn. Now. All right, so pull forward a little bit. All right. And the goal is to catch it before it goes. There you go. There you go. That's probably pretty good. There you go. And you can move that tire, creep, and go left and right, and you'll see what happens to the back of that trailer. Turn your tires to the right. Real hard to the right. There you go. Now stop. Right now you are in a perfect spot. I mean beyond perfect. You got just a few feet to the left of the deck there, and you're straight, and you're going to keep it where somebody else can come in. You know, today we're not worried about that. We'll also see that the wind is blowing to the left, so that's going to help us a little bit so we don't blow into somebody. We want to be downwind when you're new at this. So now everything is straight, but your tire's not straight. So straighten that tire up a little bit. Now you should make nothing more than minor changes. Bring it on back. And watch the back of the trailer. Look at the top. See which way it trends. And then you counter it by going the opposite way. Man, you got this nailed. All right, stop. We're ever so slightly going in. So which way are you going to turn that wheel? We're going this way. So which way are you going to turn this wheel to make it go back that way? Turn it right. Yes. So turn it. Yep. Turn a little bit more. There you go. Now straighten it out. That's all you had to do was just get it going that way. Now straighten it out. Now start bringing it back the other way. Turn your wheel to the left. Nice. Now straighten it out. She's so cute. Now start turning that left a little bit more to get a little closer over here, which is fine. There you go. Doing a good job. Doing a good job. Keep it coming. All right, we've got the motor up. Now stop. Do you see how it really started turning? So I came to this side. We got plenty of room. What I would do at this point is pull forward just a little bit, just to get the truck straightened. So turn left and pull forward. Oh, easy. Yep, that's all right. Easy. No, it's okay. Just easily add it. That's okay. Easily add power. If you have to put 1 foot on the brake, 1 foot on the gas, let this guy go. We're in no hurry. This is all about teaching. Okay, so hold a foot on the brake and start giving it gas, then let off the brake. And going back is okay. So That's a little bit. No, no, you don't worry about them. He's fine. Come on, you got it. There you go. That now, you're leaving your foot on the brake. No problem. All right, so now turn your wheel to the right. Turn your wheel to the right. We're gonna go back. We're straight now. Turn your wheel to the right. Don't be intimidated. You're gonna watch this video and it's gonna be very helpful. All right, so now, just a little bit. That's a little too much of a turn. Just a little bit back. Now start creeping back a little bit. Okay? There you go. Just start creeping back. Now straighten your wheel out. And look where you are. And straighten your wheel. There you go. Stop. Now, everything's lined up. So now just kind of ease back. Don't worry about him. He's fine. Ease back. All right, the motor is up in the back. We're going to say that again just to check it. All right, now we can stop. We're about 2 to 3 feet away from the water. For our trailer, that works for us. So what I'm going to go do is go ahead and put it in park. I'm going to stop the video.